Haitian hot sauce. We put that on everything. Spaghetti, rice, whatever it is that you want to cook, you can put it on it as a condiment. This is not a tutorial, but it's a demonstration of how you can do this in your own kitchen. All you need is Thai chilies, habanero chilies, onions, vinegar, salt, Maggi, lemon or lime, whatever you have at your house. First, you need to start out by washing them and make sure you put on some gloves because you don't want that stuff to get in your eyes. And you need to take the little stems out in order for them to fit in the bottle better. You're gonna cut it anyway, but it helps with the process. Cut them into slices, but this step you really don't have to do it. It's if you choose to do it, because I do them both ways. I slice some and I leave some whole and just put them in the bottle. It just depends on can it fit in the bottle or not. So I just take a regular bottle of vodka. I rinse it out with water so the alcohol can be out. Just wash it, make sure it's clean, and then you can start putting all the ingredients into the bottle. Mix it in with the Maggi and the salt. Pour it into the bottle, and pretty much you're done. You don't really need a recipe or measurements. You just eyeball it and do whatever. Pour your wet mixture such as the lime, vinegar. This is also a great base for pickles. All you need to do is add carrots, cabbage, and sweet bell peppers, and you should be good to go. Well, enjoy, guys. Hope you guys make this and let me know how it turns out. This can last up to a year. You don't have to refrigerate it because the vinegar pickles it. Just make sure that you close the lid tightly after each use. And as you use it, of course, you're gonna have to replace the liquid. Just add more vinegar, more lime, and it'll still be spicy because of the peppers. And you let it ferment for you to use some more.